Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the Tuesday morning haul. And we finally got a truck. This is really my first Tuesday morning haul of the year. All the other TM hauls that you've seen, they were from last year, because again my videos are behind, so that's why it's a lot of haul videos, because it was a couple of months, like 3 months almost, of haul videos that weren't uploaded. So that's why it looks like it's a lot all at one time, but it's actually not. It's just getting them up because they've been sitting on my computer, and my computer was down during that time. But this is my 2020 haul, first one of Tuesday morning, and again, these are on my Instagram, DaretoBeCreative1. I post them there sooner than they are on my channel, so these are delayed. So when people in my comments are saying, "Oh, we had this week," or "My truck didn't come this week," be mindful that this video is not the same week. It's going to be delayed, but I still post it because I know Tuesday morning gets their stuff staggered in at different places, and so people can still be on the lookout to see them. So keep that in mind. The week that this is posted may not be the week that I got it. It's probably going to be a couple of weeks behind. So anyway, everybody knows Tonic Studios. We're back in the house, and I only had a chance to go to two Tuesday mornings, so I'm gonna check out another one. I'm not gonna get to all of them, just one more, and see what they have, because they didn't get their truck out. So I like the little word dies, and these are $2.49. So just to have them quickly. I know I can take them out, cut them out or use stickers or whatever, but I like to have some dies quick when I need a sentiment. This is special delivery, and again, I thought about that would be cute if somebody's pregnant, or something like that, or if you're sending some Happy Mail, or rack or something like that. So that's the size of it. This one says Tiny Treasure. Again, I was thinking of like a baby layout, or a baby mini album. Congrats. Again, that can go on a card or a lot of different things like that. We always have a reason to congratulate our friends. Let them know we care, especially our BFFs, our best friends. So my best friend and I, we have been best friends for a long time, almost my whole life. And I ain't gonna say how long, because it's been so long. It makes me sound older than what I am, but anyway, it's a long time. But yeah, so I have to make her something for that one. This one is hot cocoa. I thought this was different. Hadn't seen this one, but yes, in the wintertime we could all use some hot cocoa, even though I only drink water, but I don't drink coffee. I mean, I don't drink anything but water, but if I had my choice, it would be cocoa over coffee. I got a Gingerbread Man just because I don't have one. Not a big one like that. I have a small one with a stamp. And then this one I was thinking about my brother-in-law, this trumpet player, but he's just one of those people who can pick up any instrument and just start playing, even though I haven't seen him play the trumpet, but he pretty much, whatever you give him, he just plays by ear. He's just one of those gifted people, so that just made me think of him. And this is and ampersand, and so and. So again, you can use those for different things, scrapper layouts and stuff. I got these. I like the sentiments on this, and I believe my die, I bought a birthday one from them a couple of months ago when the Tonic Studios came out, and it has a die, and I believe in this world just like this, a banner die, and I believe it's the exact same one. And it says you can use with the invite insert die sets. So I had to check and see if it's the same one, but I think it is, because what I have is for your birthday and celebrate. But it says wedding invitation, evening invitation, order service. I just thought those were 3 different ones. Don't know how often I would use them, but I thought these were different. You can use these on like toothpicks on banners, on cupcakes and things like that too, as well as stamping in a bulletin, like a church bulletin or something like that, or funeral service. But that's what I was thinking. It's a party, and I like the little dots around it, and this one has a little beveled, you're invited and let's celebrate. So again, those sentiments can come up time and time again, even if it's just a stamp set, or you can fussy cut it out, or use a scan and cut if you have one. Then a nod to my girl Lisa. Hey Lisa. She here in the YT as well, and she works at TM, and we scrapbook together. And she's a girl, let me get your card. And she brought me over some dies, so she was getting me in trouble. But anyway, so they had, she gave me this one. This was the index card the stationery spray index card, and I believe it's a 4x6 because it's 6 this way. Yeah, it feels like it's 6 that way and probably 4 that way. So this is what it looks like. It's just 6-piece set. And of course, this is like the memory decks. I like the ICAD, or some people call them ICAD index card a day, because that's usually the challenge, like an ATC a day. They do index cards a day, or IC's index card, which is a 4x6. It's just another play off the ATCs, which is a 2.5 by 3.5, aka pocket letter size, or deck of card size. So this is just a step up, but it's very similar to like when you're doing your memory decks cards. You can do the same thing with these. Is make these into memory decks cards, but they won't necessarily fit on your Heidi Swap Rolodex or any other Rolodexes, but just to put them in a box. So you can do a lot of different things with these, and again, I like them. You can use these for organization in your home. You can invitations, but I'm going to use them for index cards. That's what I'm thinking for. And then here's another version of it. So this one is called Stationery Spray, and this one is called Vibes and Moments. And again, it's an index card, and so you can see the layouts up there. And that's 4 different ones. And again, they have the tabs as well. These tabs are beveled at the top, more like a top note. These are rounded. And this one has 6 sets, and they all do recommend that you can also have the box if you want to go with it, which is the Oxford Index Box Die Set, which is 1702E, which I haven't seen, but if I do, I will get it. So I will be looking for that. Hopefully I can find that. But you can use these elements separately too now, so that's the other thing. You don't have to use it with this, but another idea like they showed was with the string, the ribbon. So you can thread ribbon through it, but you don't have to. So you can use this filigree, on different stuff. You can use it on the card front as well. So be mindful of that. But I would love it to get it in a card, and then you can make a whole bunch of these different cards and gift them to someone. So speaking of those little chance to be artistic, this is an ATC, an artist. It says an artist gift. It's 11 dies. So this is an artist trading card box. So I was really excited about that. So again, this is like so this would be a box, the size of a box of a deck of cards. Can't talk, excuse me. So card decks. So you can decorate it, and you don't have to make it all with the filigree all in it if you don't want to. Of course you can. So you have options to make it plain or not, because you can take those off. You can make it as a panel, you can make it as a filigree cut into it, or you can make the panel solid, because you can see those pieces are separate. Here's your flap. You can make designs on the flaps. You don't have to. Again, you get options for the sides or not. So you can make this completely several different ones. And I'm going to use this in my Box It, Bag It. What's my collab? Box It, Bag It. It's Box Bags and Purses, but I can't remember if that's the name. Maybe that's what it is with Poet Spice. So, but I would love to use this and then put some ATCs in it, or some ATC kits in it, and you can even gift it to somebody. So, that's what I think I'm going to do for one of my challenges. So I'm happy to get that, because I like ATCs. Anyway, so that is my haul, and if I have any more before this video is up from the other Tuesday morning, I will attach it probably at the beginning of this or the end of it, whichever one. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.